prepare to be blown away. Today, we're showcasing the cutting-edge machines revolutionizing forestry and wood processing. From robust tree harvesters to high-precision tools, these are the industry's ultimate game changers. The PSM Stump Ripper initially seemed unconventional to me, but after seeing its raw power and efficiency in action, it was a game changer. Its ability to effortlessly pulverize massive stumps is revolutionizing land clearing operations and setting a new benchmark for productivity in forestry. Logs up to 70 centimeters in diameter and 5.4 meters in length can be processed using the Wood Miser LT15 portable sawmill. An extension is available for larger logs. Its 2-meter long saw blade ensures accurate cuts through a variety of wood kinds. The Volvo L200H High Lift, powered by a 400 horsepower engine, is capable of lifting up to 5,000 kilograms of wood in a single grab. It's ideal for heavy-duty tasks, including bulk material handling, construction, and mining operations. Incredible! This might be the most uniquely colored wood I've ever seen. With a diameter of up to 0.8 meters and a length of 2 meters, each cut under a powerful saw reveals stunning wood grain patterns throughout. Let's see how they transform it into a beautiful wooden vase. The Easton-made SS524 is a robust wood splitter designed to handle oversized, tough logs up to 36 inches in diameter. It boasts exceptional power, effortlessly harnessing impressive force to split the toughest logs with remarkable efficiency and precision. Do you know how plywood is made? Let's take a look at how this system transforms a 1.5 meter long log with a diameter of 0.6 meters into thin plywood sheets just a few millimeters thick. With a single log like this producing up to 225 square meters of plywood. Next, let's move on to the homemade firewood processor. Equipped with a powerful 200 horsepower engine, it can process logs up to 1.1 meters in diameter and split up to 7 pieces of every 6 seconds, delivering clean, effortless cuts as smooth as slicing through a cake. Now, let's take a look inside the world's largest sawmill in the US, which produces over 1 million cubic meters of processed wood annually. Valued at approximately $500 million, it uses peelers and saws to cut trees into planks, typically 5 to 10 centimeters thick, for various purposes. The Monster Splitter Firewood Processor by Cord King handles logs up to 72 inches in diameter and 16 feet long, ideal for large-scale firewood production. It efficiently splits massive logs into smaller pieces in one pass, maximizing productivity. It's not just men who can take on trees. This woman, with her skillful technique and unwavering determination, has completely mastered her chainsaw and conquered this enormous tree. I'm truly impressed. When it comes to sheer power and endurance, the Logmax 10000 XT is hard to beat. Weighing 2,878 kilograms, it delivers a cutting diameter of up to 90 centimeters. With its top saw and durable processor knives, it handles tough conditions and logs up to 61 centimeters. The WT11LZ chipper features an aggressive feed and responsive electronics for seamless operation, handling whole trees up to 75 centimeters in diameter. Its 2.7 meters intake belt keeps even 4-meter logs secure with a maintenance-free hydraulic motors and fast, efficient processing of up to 240 cubic meters per hour. The Pro MPX firewood processor, priced from $49,995.95, handles logs up to 24 inches in diameter and 32-inch long, with a 125 horsepower engine, quick 5 to 7 second cycle, and customizable wedges. It processes up to 2.5 cords per hour and is easily towable. Say goodbye to small wood splitters. The Bell's 4000 is here. With a powerful 167 horsepower engine and a massive saw blade, it effortlessly splits logs up to 20 inches in diameter in the blink of an eye. Plus, its closed conveyor system lifts the split wood right up to you. Amazing, right? Let's take a look at the Wallenstein LXT95 log loader trailer, which offers a 5,000-pound load capacity and an 800-pound lift capacity, ensuring stability on rough terrain. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.